Sanibona, ngithembe niyaphila. Usuku yi-22 November. Ngiyavuka nje manje ngilungiselela ukuthi ngiyodlala i-go-karting. Ngihamba no-colleague wami. Sibhukhile izolo. Laphana kufanele sifike ngo 2:10. So as you see, I'm still wearing my pajamas. But before ke ngijoin uhambo lami fanele ngiqale phela ngilungise indlami njengomjida ngishiya indlami etidy. Yes, my house is very small, so it's not gonna take long. And mhlambe ngidle breakfast because idolobha kuleya ndawo ngithema ngicheck emaphini ngabona ngathi ingaphandle kwedolobha, so there are no convenience stores. Then mase ngiqedile, I hop in the shower, siyaqoka singena indlela wani umzuzu. Asivele senze njalo, yabo. Just two dishes. Okay guys, ngiqedile manje. This is how I look. Yes, so white sneakers, sweatpants, sweater, cap. Noma ngabe sebusika ikapisi ngiyalithanda, but ngiyasiqoka isigqoko samakhazi. So namhlanje because it's a little bit sunny, I was like awuthi ngiyifake ikapisi, fake iwash lami. But isigqoko sami here. Oh no. Esikhomeni sami lana ngiphethe ama gadgets ami. So and my stuff, let me put my wallet too. Oh, my earphones. Yes, my mouth moisturizer. So you ready to Shy Street? This is how I look. I'm late. My friends are waiting for me down there. So let's get it. Let's get them. I got my cam here. Yes, aspange. Guys, ngiyahamba manje. Bangishiya lamajita ngihamba nawo. You see? Angithathi ngishiya elevator, I'm taking staircase. So akwesiyobona ukuthi kwenzakalani lapha. Idebhiseke zongikhipha endaweni. So nginike shortcut. Okay, sambe siyobabona. ukuthi wenzakala. Sure, by Daiso. I'm passing. Yeah, I'm passing Daiso. I'll catch it. Where's Ondi? Huh? Where's Ondwell? Now abantu engabazi angazi noma base-America noma basemzansi uyabona abantu abamnyama. Yeah, so let's catch the traffic light. Ngazi uma ngibabingelele. Hello. Yes, how are you? I'm pretty fine. Yeah. So, okay. Ngathi wasemzansi. But let's go and see how it works. Sorry. What happened? You keep pushing me, but you are behind me.
I went to go get bread. Guys, this is the famous Korean bread.
What is it?
Very yummy.
What is it?
Just normal bread with butter inside.
Croissant?
Like
It looks like a croissant.
it's a bit harder on the outside, but it's nice and buttery.
What is that sprinkled thing on top?
Salt, just salt. So guys, okay, let me take a video of Colin. You can try it. I got this one for you.
How?
For real. Go for it.
Oh, it's empty inside.
Yeah.
There is a big hole. How, bro?
Stuff inside.
There's nothing. This is scam.
It's just bread.
They're scamming you.
It's nice.
More, yeah?
It's nice though. How is it?
Actually nice.
Yeah.
You're looking for it all night. Okay. You are late. What's your thing? Huh?
I was trying to get one round, you guys keep calling. I'm trying to slot in one.
You know what's funny? I got that on camera.
What's that?
I don't know.
And I,
Oh, no, he went to the trash can.
I can't
He wanted to
find my
discard something.
thing.
What again?
I can't find my card. I only have my,
Your bank card?
yeah, I only have my, can be checked, not the other one.
Baningi abantu abalinda le bus. Yar. So many people.
감사합니다.
Back seat. Oh, can I sit here? Okay. Yeah. I'm chilling.
I didn't see that you mounted. I'm thinking.
It happens.
이번 정류장은 사창사거리입니다. 다음은 사직사거리 시립미술관 교육도서관입니다. 청주 시민가요 361 자동 가입 19개 항목으로 보장받는 시민안전보험 청주 시민 누구나 혜택받는 시민안전보험 164 하차입니다.
Here it checks it. Huh? Not those one? You want to request?
Yeah, he doesn't go start.
Okay. Request. Hurry up, Bob.
You can also request. Call him.
사실 알고 놓고 산. mana? Their address. Sana was we come. Ile. Okay. Oh, but one for now.
1041.
Okay. You check the front seat.
여기서 PC? 오, 알았어.
Hello.
여기서 가는 시간 있으니까 좀 걸릴 것 같은데?
안전운행을 위해 전좌석 손님은 안전띠를 착용해주세요. 손님이 설정한 추천 교통 옵션으로 안내합니다.
Can you check the video? Mounting is very quick.
Okay.
300m 앞 우회전입니다. 이어서 우회전입니다.
I wonder who owns this place.
There is a convenience store here. On the map I see.
Yeah.
잠시 후 2시 방향 연속으로 과속 방지턱이 있습니다. 과속
See
방지턱이
bikes already.
있습니다.
Yeah.
Motorbikes.
Yeah.
This guy is on the phone.
These are like the chalets. Gonna come there. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I know. Angazi babethi sifuna amatraining. Here. Okay. I don't know if we're still gonna catch it. What if they die?
2시 10분 교육 들어가세요.
See the helmets.
2시 10분 교육 들어가세요.
And we'll escalate.
But he said it's for training. It's not for driving.
Yeah, but I'm saying the people that are
It means
Also
maybe they were for previous times. Maybe the ones who booked around want something, I guess. You start from the training, you get to know all the things that you need to follow there. Okay, thank you. So, training room.
하시면 됩니다. 마지막 주행을 알리는 적색 신호는 화면과 같습니다. 마지막 주행을 마쳤다면 T17번 구역 이후 보이는 피트레인으로 속도를 최대한 줄이면서 진입하시면 됩니다.
I'm ready to play, guys. This is how I do it. Unfortunately, I'm going to touch a video. Okay. I don't even know it. Abantu ngihamba nabo baphi. Let's get it.
it's too bright. You're gonna call me next.
Wow. With the baby. Okay. Let's see this one.
Go, 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 go. That one is, look at, she's not on the last one. Look at her. She's like,
Ngiyafuna ukuthi usitshele ukuthi udrive njani apha kwi-go karting. How was it?
Stepping on the gas face.
You are really good, my man. I saw you passing me. I was like, this guy. Oh, indeed. Tell me, bro, how was your go karting, bro? First experience, my man.
it was nice.
Yeah.
Can't complain much, but second round.
Yeah. Aish.
No, it was
bro.
fun, guys. Honestly, it was so much fun. The cuts are faster than what you think. Actually.
Hey.
They're very fast. There's some downhills, but also some uphills. But you don't see it like when you
drive.
Yeah.
You see it when you're there.
when you're there. I'm like, oh, it's
So
an uphill.
Like
Yeah.
the adrenaline is always high. Like.
So what advice would you give like the first time drivers?
Take your time, get comfortable with
Yeah.
the car. But once you're comfortable,
First round,
step on the gas.
first round,
Yeah. It's really crazy, man.
How was it for you?
Ay, mina pechabona. As for me, my man, yo, had a great time with my niggas.
Where are they?
Yo, bro, that thing is really nice. I need a second round. I really need it. It was really nice. So this is the only guy who will get to pass me. But this one, at least I have someone engimshile. But le lo nokushisa nawo khona ukuthi lo khona la ngiphume khona mfethu ngageja ngaspina le la khona elikhulu lapha enzansi So I was stepping on the gas, and like when I turned there, it started to spin. Yeah, so guys here, so bukele imoto ezisipinayo ke manje. Lana they just spin cars, as you see. So let's watch and see what's happening. Yebo lento le. Yeah.
The other guy's holding on to his their life.
Hey, iqeqeziwe ngemuva ayibona njani? Ayiyashaka phela leya manje. Ushayisa. Usakazeka phela phansi. It's time to go. Let's go, guys. Yeah, we had a great time. So I don't want to catch kids. Yeah. Hey.
Must I call the guy?
Mawusuwinile ke hlala la number 2, number 1, number 3. Gama lami sasekhona la alisekho. My name number 11. Check number 11. It's still here. I'm a driver, guys. Wow. We've got some beautiful bikes this side. Okay. Fresh. Shanta, we've got some fresh bikes this side. Hey bro, ngiyayifuna le nto inkinga manje. Angazi ukuthi ubani ongangifundisa. Driver lesson this. I really like I need it. Yeah. I really like wanna learn how to ride it. Eh?
It's too scary.
Mina into esabisayo ukukhululeka ngazo. Ngifela kuzo. So we are going up.
Yeah. Okay.
So let me get the view. Baby, welcome to Korea. Oh, there are people playing a golf this. Hey, alimnandi leli khona. Hey mfethu, yini leli khona lemnandi kanje enhlanhla. Hey. Hey bro, la bengayithinta uqoba ibreak lana. Bengihlala nje kwi-gas. Ngalithintile iqobo mfethu. Lana alimnandi leli khona mfethu. Leli. Hayi vele likhona livumile ngilivunga ngathi yeah. This is what I want bro. Hey vele ukujaha ngiyayijahela-ke nkosi yami. Ngiyazazi. Ngiyayijahela mfethu. Yeah? The driver is here? Oh. Hey, driver, stay down. What's gonna happen? Still waiting? How long is it gonna take? Oh, okay, you gotta catch us down. Some fellow driver clean. Hey, my man. We have to come back here. I have to come back, man. Angitelanga man. Hey, angitelanga kabiyama ingeke. Ha. Where's the driver? Oh, come on. Yiwo ama-bikes lawo manje naso lesi ngathi sokudiliva naso siyalokhozana bayadrifta basigibana naso lesi bayidlala esingathi sokudiliva abafike ngazo lesi igaba yamishaya isikoreni sihamba solilala you wanna come back for the second time?
Obvious.
Second round, my man.
Next weekend.
Sasha.
Yeah.
Second round.
No, we have to.
Yeah, we have to, my man. We have to.
Who told people that we're going go-karting? Was it you?
What do you mean?
Or it was like, oh, you guys don't invite me to go-karting.
Who are those?
Okay, alright.
MOTOARENA.
Stand by, it's coming. Stand by. And I think the one of I need it's coming or what?
After how long?
I just say stand by.
Oh. But there's this swag, you know. What?
16 minutes? Oh, you're going on Kakao Tea. Kakao Maps.
Yeah.
Colin, just watch out there.
Who?
Kaya nga.
Angiboni phela kithi.
I'm gonna get my treats.
Now basketball awufunile. Yothenga le nto yakho futhi. Oh, okay. Yeah.
There was a woman's march in Seoul.
There was what?
A march in Seoul. So look at that, there's only 3 guys.
So?
So about why the guy's not coming?
Wow.
这里就不带风，以这一带世界真紅，規則太多不予失控，按下播放全場暴動，心跳澎湃撞破牢籠，節奏動動敲碎時鐘。 ano ba wala? Yeah? Kanya kung kuha. Move Guys, I'm going to bed right now.
So you don't go to the room?
No, stay straight.
I'm not hung. Okay. We are back home. This is our home. That was funny. I was listening to the sound. 너무 세이추기. We have to fetch a bike. I'm leaving. I'm hungry. Let's get something to eat. I selected this thing. Oh, okay. Then we go to drinks. So Coke Zero. Wait, next 9,000 select. There we go. Payment. Would you like? Okay. This thing, why it takes forever? 꼬션다. 공소한 문제점. Thank you. So I got my order. I have this. Let's go to the room. Get Okay. Tell me your names at least.
I'm 유관순.
Okay. And
I'm
yours?
박시우.
Okay. And yours? Yeah?
우현.
Okay. What's this? It's Korean. I can't read.
인스타그램.
It's your Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me check if I can.
유튜브 이름.
마팔.
Yeah? What's your name on Instagram?
유튜브 이름.
Still new. Okay, I'll put it for you. put it for you. So show me your Instagram.
Yes.
Okay, put your name here.
Me.
Instagram, yeah.
Okay.
오 잠만 오 씨. 오.
Oh yes. This
This
me.
Oh, is this you?
들어가.
Yes.
나
Okay.
무대였어. 나도야.
Okay.
What's your YouTube?
Yeah, connecting.
규홍이 형이 지어준 거라 모르겠어.
네.
얘들아 빨리.
What's your YouTube?
Oh, YouTube. Colin, I'm still new. Okay, let me send it for
Okay.
you. Still new. Okay.
Yes.
Change here. Change.
야 이거 좀 들어봐.
Explore.
나 무대였어.
With
100만 유튜브. 야 일단 이거 좀 써줘.
Colin.
네가
Still new. Still new.
This?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
이거.
And you too? Okay.
Oh.
So,
Bad.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
yes, yes.
Okay. Yes.
explore
그럼 갖고 간다.
with Colin. Yes, this one.
양지훈이 형.
Still new.
마이.
Yeah?
웨이드
yes.
웨이드.
Oh,
여기 있다.
okay.
this.
It's your name?
홍지후. 형 한번 입어보실래요?
Okay. Follow.
입어보실래요? 왜요?
Explore with Colin.
와우. 코리아.
Wow. Okay, here. This one. Yes. Okay. All right. Okay. Nice to meet you. Yes. Okay. Goodbye. They would watch my video. Abanye abekho shy. Yeah, abanye ke baba shy nje bonibonile nje. So I'm so happy like they try to speak English. Even though yeah, they try sure. And I like that. I don't care like how good or bad the English is. Even if you speak one word, right, yeah, I can try to read between the lines and comprehend what you are trying to say. That's what I want. Yeah, that's what I want. I'm so happy. I see like the work that is done by the English teachers in Korea. They know how to say hi. They know how to make some sentences. Oh, yeah, that's what I want. That's what I want. All the time. So, ngendlini manje ngigodole kuyabanta ngikhathele. It's been a long journey. We are back home. We are back. Oh wow. This guy. Oh. Yes. Welcome. We are back. Isikhathi sokuyodlala siphelile. We are back. Yes, Kathalikile. Korea, mala sala. Yo guys, I'm tired. Sesambe sabuya. Ngikhathele. Sihambele sadlala ke go karting lapha yami. Into nje guys engiphatha kabi. Nephuthe engilenzile. Ngishintshe imount leyo kufaka icamera kuwe lapha ma ride. mina sengikhohliwe ukuthi uma uride laphana uzofaka i-helmet. If I can show you ukuthi ngiphathe yiphi. Ngiphathe this one. Eyasekhanda le, ngiyabo. So leli libhethi ihamba phezulu so ingene so uyifase la ngemuva. Mina ngaphatha le angikwazanga ukuyithatha ivideo lapha yasengidrive. Ngibhlungu mfethu, ngibhlungu. Yazi ngiyishile la esifubeni nginayo. Let me show you. Ngena ka so. Yeah. Bese ngimount i-camera ka so. Ngakhohlwa leli ke. Ngibhlungu. If ngizaya somewhere again ngizengirekhordela ivideo, I hope nizoyijabulela kakhulu. Ningakhohlwa ngithanda into engapheli. Right, goodbye guys.